Welcome to Bell's Story Hub. You need to hear this if you're a Bay Area resident concerned about fire safety. The National Weather Service has issued a red flag warning due to a combination of strong winds and low humidity, creating a high risk of wildfires. This warning is in effect from Thursday night, October 19th through Saturday evening, October 21st, covering all 9 Bay Area counties. Winds are expected to be strong, with sustained speeds between 25 and 35 miles per hour, and gusts potentially reaching up to 65 miles per hour in higher elevations. With humidity levels dropping as low as 10%, these conditions create a perfect storm for wildfires to ignite and spread rapidly. While recent cooler temperatures have kept vegetation relatively moist, the predicted offshore wind event is expected to quickly dry out these fuels, significantly increasing the fire risk. In response, PG&E is considering public safety power shutoffs in several counties, including Alameda, Contra Costa, Napa, Solano, and Sonoma. These shutoffs are a preventive measure to reduce the risk of power lines sparking wildfires in these dry, windy conditions. PG&E will provide updates on potential power shutoffs through their PSPS website, so residents in affected areas should stay informed and prepare for possible outages. The National Weather Service emphasizes that large wind gusts, especially late Thursday into Friday, could hinder firefighting efforts. Residents are urged to stay informed, follow local fire updates, and take necessary precautions to prevent wildfires. Remember, avoid any outdoor burning during this period and have an emergency plan in place. Your safety and the safety of your community depend on it. Stay safe, everyone. That's all for today. If you found this information helpful, please like this video and subscribe to stay updated on the latest news. Feel free to drop a comment in the comment section. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video.